Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Samsung Galaxy M33. First of all, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now, if you see this kind of pop-up on Samsung, you need to tap on Allow or Don't Allow. In my case, Don't Allow notifications. And then to use Send Anywhere app, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now in this window, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then do exactly the same on Xiaomi. After that, you need to choose Receive over here at the bottom of your Samsung and Send at the bottom left corner on this Xiaomi smartphone. Finally, you can tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and then choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I'll go into Photos, click on this one, then choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Samsung, pick one of those options, choose Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon. Then click on while using the app or only this time and point your Samsung's camera at the goat. But if you want to, you can always input this key over here as well and tap on Receive button. Sorry, a typo. Now as you can see, after a while my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!